Hello folks, welcome to my channel. I want to share an easy trick to use AutoShorts for free as many times as you want. You can see that I've already reached my free plan limit, so I'm going to create a new account to use one more free video generation. Let's log out from this account and head over to the cool and easy Temp Mail app. With Temp Mail, you can quickly generate a temporary email address, which allows you to create new accounts effortlessly without using your personal email. This way, we can bypass the free plan limit and generate another free video. It's a simple and effective trick to keep using AutoShorts without any interruptions. In some cases, you might need to renew your temporary email address to keep things working smoothly. Let's refresh the page now and try one more time. Sometimes a simple refresh can solve any minor issues we encounter. If it doesn't work, we can go back to the Temp Mail app and generate a new temporary email address. This way, we can create another account and continue using the free video generation feature. Look, it worked. Now let's wait for the verification code to arrive in our temporary email inbox. Once we receive the code, we'll copy and paste it to complete the registration process. After that, we're good to go. Let's generate an example to show how it works. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this trick will be helpful for you. By following these steps, you can easily bypass the limitations and keep using AutoShorts for free.